one day when one of my artworks didn't work, I was frustrated and angry, and I just got hold of a pad, and I just roughed it up. It was just, my hands were filthy, and I just rubbed the sheets, and then something happened. I don't know what it is, but there was a face. When the face looked at me, and kept on looking, and then I started working it, and it really felt as if this person wanted to be seen, wanted a place that had been denied. I don't know what it is, whether it was my imagination. I don't know, and I really don't give a damn. It was an experience. Yes, I do actually. I do give a damn, because it affected me. It affected me deeply, and and you'll find it when you start to work this. I promise you, get hold of a piece of paper, whether you're an artist or not, it doesn't matter. Get hold of a piece of paper and something to make a mark with, and start working it. You work it, and in a little while that face will look at you, and the eyes will look at you. The face might not like you, it might hate you, but it might love you. And then between all of that, you get this immense feeling that something has happened, and there's this eerie feeling before you start, and then there's this piece when you are allowed to put your signature on it. All the way through that experience, something happens. I don't know what it is. It could be imagination. It could be your own demons. It could be somebody else's. But it is something. You do it. You have a feel of it. Let me know how you go. Please let me know how you go. You won't regret doing it. I promise you.